Imagine a future where humanity has achieved the unthinkable, harnessing the power of an entire star. A monumental feat that could change the course of our existence forever. This is the story of the Dyson sphere, an idea that has captivated minds for centuries. But what if it wasn't just a theoretical construct? What if we could actually build it? The journey begins with a dream. In the 1960s, the British-American scientist Freeman Dyson proposed a structure that could envelop a star, capturing its energy to power an advanced civilization. A Dyson sphere, he said, would not only supply nearly limitless energy, but could also open up the possibility of interstellar expansion. It sounded like science fiction. Yet, it was grounded in a profound understanding of physics and engineering. But could we really pull it off? At first glance, constructing a Dyson sphere seems nearly impossible. The materials alone would require resources far beyond anything we can access today. The structure would need to be immense, enough to completely surround a star, perhaps 100 times the size of Earth. The thought of gathering that much material is overwhelming, but this challenge is far from the end of the story. In fact, it's just the beginning of a daring vision. If humans were to build a Dyson sphere, it would require a revolution in technology. We would need to master space travel and asteroid mining, unlocking a treasure trove of resources scattered across our solar system. Imagine fleets of mining ships traveling to the outer planets, extracting materials like metals, ice, and rock. But this wouldn't be the first challenge humanity faced in this endeavor. The first major twist with the realization that the very star we would be encircling could be dangerous. The sun's activity could make construction incredibly hazardous. Solar flares, bursts of radiation, and intense solar winds might threaten both the builders and the integrity of the sphere itself. How do you build a structure around something that could destroy it in an instant? The solution would likely involve creating shield systems, perhaps with magnetic fields or advanced materials capable of withstanding extreme conditions. But that would only be the beginning. As the sphere takes shape, another startling discovery occurs. The sheer weight of the structure might be too much for our solar system to bear. The gravitational forces generated by such a massive construction could throw off the orbits of nearby planets, even destabilizing Earth's position in the cosmos. A subtle but critical shift in the balance of power within our solar system could lead to catastrophic consequences. Humanity would need to find a way to counterbalance this tremendous, perhaps by introducing counterweights or advanced propulsion systems that would adjust the structure's position as needed. 2. The question of whether we could even survive such a monumental project would remain an open one. But the biggest twist comes when the sphere is complete. Now that we've harnessed the star's energy, how do we use it? The possibilities are mind-blowing. An entire civilization could thrive on the energy collected, fueling everything from artificial intelligence to space exploration. But what if that power had unintended consequences? What if it became too much for us to control? Imagine a scenario where a society, now with unlimited energy at its disposal, begins to push the boundaries of scientific experimentation, creating technologies beyond our wildest dreams or nightmares. Could humanity's unchecked ambition lead to a downfall, driven by the very power we've stolen from the stars? As we approach the final act of this grand experiment, we see the unimaginable. The Dyson sphere might not just be the key to humanity's future, but its undoing. Power that was supposed to elevate us could instead drive us to the brink. But even in the face of potential disaster, humanity has always managed to rise, adapt, and evolve. Will we be able to tame the power of the stars, or will we learn that some forces are simply too great to control? The truth is, building a Dyson sphere might be the ultimate test of what it means to be human, our ability to dream, to create, and to survive against all odds. As we look to the future, the Dyson sphere could be the key to unlocking a new chapter in our existence, or the beginning of a dark and unpredictable saga. Only time will tell.